Imagine a night so powerful, it can change your life forever. The night of destiny awaits you. Surah Al-Qadr, also known as the Night of Decree, is one of the most powerful chapters in the Quran. It reveals the secret of a single night that holds more blessings and mercy than 1,000 months combined. This night is the time when the Quran was first revealed to Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, marking the beginning of hope and guidance for all humanity. Here's a simple yet profound practice. After your Fajr, dawn, and Isha, night prayers, recite Surah Al-Qadr 7 times. This act is more than just recitation. It is a spiritual connection, a prayer for success, healing, and honor in your life. Why should you do this? Because by consistently reciting this surah with intention and faith, you open the doors to divine blessings that can help you overcome challenges, find peace in your heart, and achieve your goals. Whether you're seeking success in your career, healing from personal struggles, or simply want to bring more light and respect into your life, this practice aligns you with the infinite mercy of Allah. Remember, the night of decree is better than 1,000 months. This means the spiritual rewards you earn during this night multiply beyond imagination. With every recitation, your prayers become stronger, your hopes clearer, and your connection with God deeper.